Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp new update. At first, you have to update your WhatsApp app. Then you have to open WhatsApp and click on the chat. Then you have to click here. Then scroll down and here you can see chat lock option. Lock and hide this chat on this device. Turn it on and click to continue. Then confirm face or fingerprint lock. I confirm my fingerprint. And see guys, the chat has been locked. Click to lock details, then scan your fingerprint. Friends, the lock has been unlocked. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.